Why you have the place look so? Are you me to talk to you know? Look here. You can't move them with them here do you so why make you have the place look so?
So you for?
What you mean when me for? I in my house there you know. You can't keep a place so nasty man, you're a man.
So that's why you want to talk to me so? To me in your house.
Take them up, you're too nasty for your man. Look how you have a place.
I tell you, still going to say, you know. Me and my friend have a little party so last night and just there so I get a cooler to take them up. I don't know what make you go on so.
The reason why me I go on so is because me get up this morning and go ATM for draw money for give you. The least little thing I can do I help me tidy up a place and something. Are you me to take care right now?
And you choose to take care of me, you know. So I don't know what make you go on so. And I don't tell you so I take up the things then. Wow.
If me and somebody there, I go take care of them. But what me I try to say is, you know say me not like when the place looks so. If you say you go take them up, hurry up and take them up, man.
Alright, there's something I don't like, you know. The boy still got one yard, you know.
Oh, what kind of dirty, nasty. Greg! You know what I'm tired of you? Look how you use the bathroom and piss up your whole life floor and can't even wipe up it. Not even lady you could lift up. You know what I feel like say you do it for spite?
Me I do it for spite or a pick for me? Feel like you want to run me out of your house now?
Yeah, I want you to come out of my place because I don't know how your mother get you from make you so nasty.
My mother you tell me about, you know something don't clean him. You see something that look like a piss to you? You see a sweet that me throw in there for clean up in there. And since you tell me about my mother, me not do nothing.
Alright. Move out of my way. Yeah, come out of here.
If a bad I threaten me. Give me this. I threaten me. Eh?
Come out of my face.
You alright?
Beg your call, please. Mommy, if you come down there right now, you want Kai need to come down there right now, come help me take that dirty boy out of my house. Can you see that boy there? I don't want to do him nothing, you know. We don't need to come down there right now. Me can't calm down. When you come, we earn you. Me can't talk right now. Alright. Thanks.
Alright. Can't say, yeah, they ain't going to pass my phone.
Oi, me say up here beat up my daughter. And you need to give her back her phone.
Oi, how are you do? I can't tell them up here to beat me off.
Not true she live uptown. I get how we come from. Hey boy, mind what you do, you know. You better come out our place before it reach where enough you reach.
You see, you know I set an example. That's why she stays so, you know. She take everything off of you. Woman, if you know them place, you better come out of my face. Because me now come out.
Okay.
You know what, right?
Alright. Let's see your phone. You know what? This, sorry, here. 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 You know what? This, sorry, here.
Lock the door.
What miss you, you know? So how long am I still on your mother?
Just for one day.
For one day? Alright, baby. Just check it out.
So we are shot me out of your house for a while.
You know, rush your baby, but you know what your mother, you know.
Man, no, whatever. What are you gonna do today?
What do you do some business on the road and, you know.
What is some business?
You don't know my business I do. Remember some is a working man be. But yeah, man, so.
So you gonna call me?
Yeah, definitely. Right through.
Alright.
Right through. Even for a video call, yeah?
If me can't walk me there, me can't walk me myself.
Alright. Alright, my love. Alright, baby.
You don't know, man, you do that. Stop rushing me. Bye.
Love you. Come link me now. Wait there. Alright, me I come out there. Yeah. Baby, that was lovely, you know?
Yeah, best me ever have.
No one. No, say how you go do.
Yeah, that one good. I left my phone. Oh, God.
I'm about that. I'm a Christian. I'm too not married. So now I'm going to tell you. Shit.
Oi. I want my oil there in a bed in a day. And I say you go somewhere.
I don't feel good. I don't feel good.
How are you? So you shake, so?
Sick, really sick.
Hold on. I was smell like one woman perfume. I was going in here.
Then if you come in here, I must smell perfume.
A full sip of this.
I feel, baby.
No man, chop my one. My foot not so small.
No, yeah, but I got you one. You see, nobody not in there.
I know you're sick. Oh, you get up. Excuse.
Oh, no.
Sorry, no.
You don't love me.
Sorry.
We all do this, we all look for.
I'm at my house, so I can't look.
You don't love me, baby.
Let her from me now. Oi, come out. Don't touch me now. Don't touch me. Where have a woman in my house?
And you will love me.
Let her from me.
Please, love.
Oi, listen. Me deep in the argument. Pocketing, as a matter of fact. Not all you have in here enough here, so come out.
We can't take out his shirt and the married alone.
Come out.
Come
out.
I'm clean for you.
Come out.
You now find no other good man.
Good man. We don't want to come out.
Hello.
What go on, sis?
And what's me there? Where you going with?
Me there just come in. Me go have breakfast.
Well, yeah, live life, so girl, I can't cook in your yard.
No, me one day I'm not able to cook. I don't have time for that.
Oh, I hear you. Anyway, me just stay and say my one pass through. I'll come link you.
You alone?
My son and me alone, and me and my boyfriend. I'll just pass through and get a link.
Alright, you can go. Me there.
Alright, sis.
Who that?
Me sis. Not tell me I come. Yeah, go like you know so me I come.
Me forgot.
The
Me
door
a come.
open.
What
Yeah, go like you remember so me just call you.
Me forgot me everybody now.
Something wrong with your brain. Anyway.
Well, go on. Think good.
Well, go on.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
How you go with them there?
No, about them, man. I can start with the breakfast and all that bean. Guess what going on? I want a 2 egg, you know, so you can't get none. But you can get some sausage. You want some sausage?
No, me no want none. Me just eat.
You just eat?
Alright.
Alright, I'm going to deal, man, deal.
Alright.
So what go on?
There. Boy. Yes. Yeah, man, so just let me check fine, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And how you think you over here, Sadu? You beat it?
What means even be there? I want one. Who you talk to? You feel say no 5 people in your chat to? Who you think you talk to?
Hey, back up. Don't mention me 5 feet them in this. So you know better. What kind of dirty style them? You're not even be to come and come prepare food. Who you gonna prepare food for you? I not to clean up yourself now none. You know better, man.
Me hungry. See, and if me come here, I want to start all the food. I don't want to come chat and style me certain way. You know. I become in a sister place. Me hungry, I carry 2 egg them. Why sister can't get 1 egg them, that's a problem. I'm tell her about the sausage. You have to stop style certain things,
You
man.
know about my sister. I guess my sister look hungry to you.
You see,
You know about my sister, man.
Yo, be style.
Don't be nice. You know better than that.
You see, let me tell you something, man.
Tell me what?
I bet say egg them rotten. I must egg them most rotten. I must bad luck this up. Boy, you come cuss me about. I food you cuss me about. Hello. Go on back out there, man. No have to be it.
You cuss about no food?
Go on out there, sir. Out there, sir.
Don't come talk to me,
chat to your sister.
Don't talk to me,
Your sister is big now.
I say, hey, can't tell you no, man.
I sound a live bad.
You don't see nothing yet. You don't see half right. A regular me have to dog him up. You know me.
Well, if a regular thing that, never mind. So where I come from, I couldn't just pop up on myself.
You know, see, we go camp out with Jizzy. River Flex over Portland, so. Me young, you know, me have to there about explore. If you want me to sit down in the house, no girl, I'm good.
You have 5 pitney. Where you get time for run up and down pan road, so?
You know about my 5 pitney them. Right now, Marvin passed commandations and I want to him auntie Afar go help him. May I tell Jadson to worry himself or you go help him next. I know say you will do it, I know you're capable to do it.
Why you feel say me I go take my hard working money and help him after you dip on road every day I go?
That the boy there, I am favorite auntie. Every day and talk about you. Auntie sharing this, auntie. No, me sick of him, he love you, know. So him expects that you are going to help him. You can't let him down. Come on, man. You do better, man. You don't expect you to answer me like that.
You lucky say my favorite for you and the only reason why me I go help him is because he love me. What you need to do, I top run up and down pan road and find something to do. And make sure say, you not breathe again.
Breathe? It's not easy. After 5, nobody else can score this a goal a girl. I think I'm not smart. Come on. Nah, do that, man.
So you're easy about when you get your first 2. Anyway, how I kind of doing in the bathroom so long? You don't know say uptown water bill no normal around here, so.
I saw him bathe long all the way. I don't know when he wash off.
Hey, me tired, you know. This step them make me tired, man. Hey.
How that? Who that?
I am mother girl. Come open the door.
Why you not me door yourself? You're a stranger?
Me can't just pull the door, so not because I'm my daughter. Alright?
How are you so hot?
Mommy, what you do over here? Where did you then there?
What you say? When me I do over here? When you they do over here? You left the pitney them gone 3 days now. After you tell me say 1 day they go away. And you left the pitney them for me. Now me have to left them with mama. You gone pan road about you sport with man and then come over your sister yard. So you no remember for your pitney them?
Mommy, you really left your picking them with mama. Mama is so 90 odd. Them they pick it and I go run up and lay the blood pressure. The two I don't need fit. Only so wicked. You a sport, she a sport. How happen?
No worry about mama. Mama alright. Right now, mama look like he's stronger than me and Uno. And the pitney them alright too. You know, say mama, they think about boyfriend. Right now, mama look like she want one boyfriend right away. Go up more, let me sit down beside you.
Anyway, so babes, what going for breakfast? I take longy.
And because you're hungry, you come friend me up. If it's me a friend,
Nice, man.
the food ready though, man. Sure.
Don't put up revenge too much.
Revenge, that I call it. A belly venge.
Thank you, baby darling.
At times, you give me some grandchildren, you know. You need to get a man.
Mummy.
Well, I know me, I talk to you.
Two.
Look on Kai Kai. I have 5 grandchildren she give me, you know, and you not give me nothing.
Listen. Me not ready for no man. Me been through enough with man already. Right now my focus is my career and then after man and picnic can come into business. Me not ready for that.
Me understand, that's true. Me not against what you just said to me, you know. Me proud of what you accomplish. Me wait until I get children.
But you still need to get a man.
Shut up.
You can't tell me to shut up.
Well, mommy, you're a real hot girl, you know. Because you look dressed up well nice. You even look like your age. All your finger. What you? You cook for your man in them, yeah?
Hello?
On a serious note, you need to go home to your kids then.
I mean, you don't really need to still talk about.
Kai, true. You really need to go and go take care of your kids.
Already long time.
Alright,
Of course, me not share.
But busy man, I can't come look for you now. But busy man, I do all type of something, man. Tomorrow I come look for you, man.
Who that you talk to? Who that you talk to? Let me see
I
phone.
talk to, man.
Let me see phone. Who you talk to?
Yeah, my daughter I talk to, man.
Me not sure about that. Let me see the phone.
Where you think say, me I look up it, ne?
So why you hide it
Tell you
from me
come
for?
and come talk about me see phone like,
Why you hide it from me? I say you always do, you know. You see you? I style me. A woman you have with me?
Yo,
Let me see phone. Let me see phone.
What's wrong?
Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. I can talk to him and swagger, yeah? Bro.
Mommy, no tell me say you and Kai see him. This morning she come, she and her man over there in my kitchen. Now you and your man. I want to do no so.
Them things here happen in a relationship. No worry about what you hear me and him a cuss about. Because you see when we go home later, a different something. All the neighbor them a go beg we. Fi stop and calm down the noise. Because all the bed out fi mash down. Makeup sex is the best thing. Kai, come on. Mama must a quarrel because the pitney them down them must a give him hell.
Alright.
Come.
Come on. Take care of yourself, punk.
Go on here, yeah, punk. Bye, mommy.
Bye, baby.
Oh, you want crab? Great fun. Alright.
Hello. Thanks for helping me cross the road. You know how long my son up over there, so? And me driving about my park my car, so I'm up here, so. But me never able to drive come me go right over there.
Can't drive like so.
Me never feel the vibes today, so that's why me just park up here and say me a walk over there, so.
Well, happy to know that I could be of some assistance
Yeah,
because the road can be very dangerous, you know what I mean? And I would want a nice, sexy girl like you get run over, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, what's going on differently though? Where you from?
I'm from Hatfield, the gated community, that way, that direction.
Alright, so I'm from the area too, you know, I don't live up here, but I pass through, do some business or some business transactions, some people, some of us passing through. But you look like some of the heart in the stomach for you in love with somebody.
No, my mom gave it to me.
So different from that though. What a girl like you do up here for fun? One do up here for fun, coming up here, you know, one do up here for fun.
I don't really do anything. My main focus is always my work.
They say all work and no play makes Susie a dull girl.
Well, I am not a dull girl, but I am fun when I'm supposed to be.
But are you single though?
No.
You're not single?
Yes.
You're single. But why you don't see you play with me? Or why you sending a mixed message though?
I am single.
So what if I would like to get to know you? Cause this just without there right at the right time is no coincidence, maybe it's destiny. You know what I mean? No coincidence, maybe it's destiny. What if I want to get to know you though? How could I get in touch with you? We could go out or talk or something. No, nothing. No hostage now, well hostage. We go somewhere in public here we can talk, get to know each other. Can you see me come a nice girl? I don't like to get to know you though.
Well, I can give you my number or you can find me on Instagram and contact me.
Alright. Type in the Instagram.
See you. Thanks for helping me cross the road.
Alright. What do you want, babe?
Smirnoff Ice.
Alright, one small of ice. And you have Guinness. And a Guinness.
Thank you.
You know, say, I'm not worried about nothing at all. You know, say you work hard, I ensure some cook for you and them way there.
Sure.
My job kind of different from your job. My job allow me to have a little more flexible time, you know what I mean? So I make sure I reach home, cook for you, you know what I mean? If anything to do, I do it.
Well, if you don't cut you, for my job, I'm always busy, so I hope that not gonna be one problem.
No, man. Because let me tell you what I'm it's very spontaneous, you know. If you pay lunchtime, I can take you out for the lunch. You know what I mean? Anyway, time, then you take it. At night time, say they have time, give you a little back rub. You know what I mean? Make a little tea for you. Then look how tenderness there. On vacation, I ensure you save some money, I care about someone nice. No matter if you have money, I not about your money, it's about my money. I like it still, you know what I mean? Everything about you, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Bye guys, send me them picture there
Yes,
now.
come on, we have a good up there again.
Yeah, send me them picture there. Yeah, I'll send them there.
But you have to do though.
Chargy. Yeah, chargy, yeah. Boy, mommy, I really need to dress your age. You know, look how you look like 16-year-old. I can't wear clothes. All I show belly.
So what's your problem? So how me fi dress?
I will left that something there to weed.
So what you want to say me all?
No, we not say that.
When
but
we did in
your
them,
Well,
age.
me all but me not call.
Good morning. Me not see your
Hi, babe.
family girls. So talk about. Nah, one no. We can't go on top. Nah, one no. No. Something else over here, so.
Alright. Alright. So me can't look.
How that?
Yeah, mom, so that me can't look. So you go on. Jesus.
Stop all the land name in vain.
Alright.
So my daughter, how that?
I'm a boyfriend.
You can good. Nah, lie.
I'm here alone to say that.
You have taste though, my daughter. So long me they tell her to get on.
I must apologize, right? Because I don't say, I feel so embarrassed.
No, man, I don't have to apologize. It's alright.
No, come on out here, because you know, I saw when me they home at my house, and me a clean the place, me not wear clothes.
Okay.
You understand? Because when you got dirty with clothes, then you have, you just, you know what I mean?
Repeat again and come back.
You even say, I'm not sure. Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Mummy, Kai, this is Glenn. Babe, sister, mother.
Nice meeting him too.
No.
Alright. Yes, so I'm happy for the in my family, you know what I mean? I see where she get her beauty from, you know what I mean? Everybody beautiful and it's a good look. So I have good plans for your daughter though, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
She's such an intelligent and sweet person.
It's my pleasure meeting you and we're happy to see you coming out with family too.
Yeah. I want to make you a grandmother soon, you know.
Make sure it's soon.
So I'm gonna go down by the pool, babe.
Alright.
We can go and treat the guests them and do whatever, you know what I mean?
Right.
So nice meeting you again. I'm down by the pool. Yeah, man. I want family, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So talk to you soon, babe, alright?
So, if I'm going to go down my pool, we can't go down my pool too.
Go do it.
People that go.
Second.
Babe, you're on a call on me. Oh, that. Alright, babes. How going?
Yeah, right.
Everything good. Yeah, dear.
No, sir.
Your daughter not there, you know, she gone and pick up some stuff in the town.
She not there.
No, she can pick up some stuff.
Okay, that sounds good.
You'll take a little time, save. I can't wait for her still. You didn't talk to her at all.
No.
Oh. Anyway, you say your family, you know. So, do you want to do everything you know, do anything your mother-in-law, do anything you want to do? We go come out on the way. No. Come out of your way. Now, let's mix up you and your daughter. Because two owners come all the way. I know how you come by yourself now, but everything good. So go and enjoy yourself. Do anything you want to do. I'm in my room, I want to rest, right?
Alright.
Alright. Planet B, where you do this?
Just relax and enjoy it.
How this? How? Hold on. Where are you? When I play the game then, I make me see your mother-in-law, you know.
Yeah, but you know me like you.
No, but me did that already. You don't have your boyfriend, your boyfriend come out over here?
Anything me you do, it's gonna be confidential. And my man not have to know neither, 'cause I'm sure some not tell him unless you are gonna tell him. So you gotta tell him? Because conflict.
How with me, so why? Why me?
You're a hot ass, you know. Your body's sexy and everything, and you're cute, and I like how you look.
So, I never accident when you walk in from the bathroom then, that means you do that intentionally?
Yeah. Because I like your body. You know that I'm dreaming about you? Every night I dream about you. Yeah. So you know, feel so we could have do a little thing before the wedding, like we have planned to marry my daughter. That could be a secret between me and you, you know.
Me no like secret. Me think that right.
So you never keep a secret yet.
No.
But this could be the first one.
I will keep this secret and not tell it to your daughter. Say you come on to me. So we're gonna mash up on the daughter and mother relationship. But I don't think it's a good idea though. You know what I mean?
Please, just 1 minute. 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 1 minute.
Wait.
Just give me a minute, please.
Wait.
No. Just give me a minute.
You have condom?
Yes,
Wait there.
in my bag.
Go for it. Come on, go on, take it. Go on, take it. The daughter the Panawi come. Hello. Yeah, can you come? Where the babe? Where you there? Where are you? Somebody outside I do. But come over, come here back. No, you can't do something. Come here fast, alright? Yeah, your daughter the Panawi. We come here. Here.
Huh?
Your daughter the Panawi come.
She dep on her way.
I come here.
So far she a come back?
She just call me.
Jesus Christ. Mash up my plan.
Your daughter the Panawi come.
Acha, wait.
Oh.
No one wants you to come over here.
I'd like to see you. Will you care for me?
Tell me no one wants you to go. Come on, come back.
I smart sit me by.
Babes.
Hi. Are you make me come home early, you know? Are you
Go on,
come?
see you.
Me not get to buy everything.
But you good still. I'm just glad to see you. I'm glad you come. But I'm not wipe on you so much. I don't like that on you. But I'm going to go to you next time. I stay here.
Alright.
See you right now?
Yeah.
Alright, so what goes on? You want something?
Yeah.
You want something?
Thanks. Mommy, where are you do over here?
Kai said she come over here now if you meet her over here.
Okay.
You see how long me I tell if you finally come on?
Babes.
Hmm?
Is this here to buy the one into the next one else by cases?
Feels nice one.
Better than the next one.
Awesome.
You see your life different now with you? Me happy for you. No man eat it. Me happy for you, you know.
Thanks, mommy.
Me happy for you, man. Life different than now.
Babe, like I had too much salt, drink a water. One second.
Wait.
Oh, man.
Hi, handsome. How are you?
Family there and everybody there.
Acha, mommy.
Yeah, man, hold on there. Like a family affair. You want breakfast now?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, what about some?
So,
Nothing.
so you not keep family sitting down, not gonna invite me.
Where I mean you could invite your mommy say you call her over here.
Oh, that's true. She can, but I don't
Babe, you want help?
Yeah, come down.
Gotta look good, do life agree with you, like your mother take care of you. So, mommy, what you do? I tell you, say, if you control this man, I move like you put that time for me, so.
Control what?
I mean, say control what?
I me run things in them. What you talk about?
Me and you fi talk. I'm not like where you go on.
Calm down, man. Calm down. Remember, so the man we have, you know, and me give him. So leave me with that one, yeah.
I don't like your style, mommy. I don't like your style. Take it to me, man.
Leave me with that one, yeah, man. You know, say I'm a Rasta, me a Rasta.
So, I'm not get a rasta too. How long it take to grow?
Me no busy about that, you know, but me have to get that one, yeah. Stay with the one that me give you.
Alright, you want to give me? Take him back then. Just take him back.
Me no want him.
So what you say you want, you know? Because I know sex you want, you know? You're good at now, you know.
This a serious business. My daughter have a man when me really like, and the man they treat her nice. And no man never treat me so yet. Me not tell no lie, my son one way, show my daughter, but me go want the man there. I would like if you kidnap the man there for me.
So you want me to kidnap your daughter, man?
Yes.
So you can have him for yourself?
Yes.
Alright, but you know the procedure already?
Yeah man, just tell me how much you charge.
Well, I'm not kill her still, you know. But just for kidnap him alone, I will run up to 50,000.
Alright, no problem.
Do you right, so I go up on the road, go deal with it. Just tell me the location and when. I'm deal with it.
May I wait for the call, you know?
Me call him.
Alright.
Babes! Babe! Babes! Babe! Tingnan Sylvia. Voicemail.
Wherever do you know, you can clean up the place and, you know, sort out the place.
Go along, I'll listen.
Hold on, my phone a ring. Somebody a call me.
I can't remember if you answer your phone.
No
mommy.
man, me have to try to see which number this. Hello? Hold on, excuse me, daughter. But if I want important call, you have to go outside a little bit.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. Yeah, where's the now?
Mama, after last night, I try to call you, man. Me have money now. I try to call you from last night. And you not answer your phone.
No man, me did go one place. So me did out of service. So where you say now? Everything good? No, I know that. Certain place my phone can't pick up. So me glad say you sort out it for me. So me can come now. Yeah. And that me want hear.
You have to give me some more money. I'm thinking it's easy, but you know easy, man can't fight. I'll lick him in the head and knock him out. You man a deal with me.
Don't worry yourself about that.
They want some extra money.
Don't worry yourself about that. When me come, me talk to you.
I will drop him off over the location and so.
Yeah man, I'm come collect the key.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah man, don't worry yourself about the money. When me come, me talk to you about that.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Little more, thanks. Nah, give no more
Mommy,
money.
where are the so we can come in now so the
Deal a
conversation
deal.
down. Mommy,
Tell me 50 grand. Kai!
how long you say you talk on your phone?
Alright, you can come. Come man, me don't talk long time. How long me don't talk on the phone?
No, sir. You look like I see a new boyfriend you find. My dad give me say father bunny.
No sir, I'm going to get Juta bun. You mad? Juta my one and only. Me no want no man more than Juta. phone a ring. Hang on, my baby, you good?
Me I look for Glenn and me no see him. Me go on my bed, me wake up, me no come in last night. Me call him all day yesterday, me not get him. Me call him when me wake up a while ago, me not get him. Me no know what to do.
You make me and your sister come help you and look for him. But me I go bathroom go there.
Alright, then me I get up and put myself together.
How what happened, mommy?
Your sister man get kidnapped. Or he missing, me no know. But she just can't find him from when. Me no know what happened. So we have to go there and help her look for him.
Oh, so you'll be
Me I go be there now.
I'll be to do where the pass.
Alright.
Come.
Sister.
How you ball for? No wonder why me at the door and you not answer.
Glenn,
A man you ball over?
Could.
what you mean?
Ball over him.
Why you have to go on some mommy? You don't know what happened. You not
You mean me no know what happened?
can't anything. No?
Me have experience of the same kind of
When
dirty
you
man there.
assassin.
Look here, I can't want girl in Ghana to white girl too. Girl we have money.
Mommy, why you have to think you worse? I can't somehow at my team. You see your time serious now?
Exactly.
You talk about girl. Stop it, man. You irritate me.
Listen, calm down. You look like you nah no sense. Me not teach you no sense, girl. You don't look like me did teach you any sense at all. Them your man ya, where you take up feel say they love you. They no love you. They see prettier girl than you. Me know say you're nice and pretty, but sexier girl out there and prettier girl where they fall for you. Worse if they have money and you not none. Stay there, they ball over, man. Who tell you saying they don't want you? As one man look on you and tell you say they love you, you start fall feet. Stay there, cock you up in your head and now start think over so you can move on with your life. You know which part in there now? God is know, me no know, you no know. Where do? Sit down and ball and dead.
And that you come over here for?
So what you want me to tell you, say then kill him? Alright. Since as you want me to listen to what you say about your love her, what you love so much. Kai, come at me and you go with her and go look for him.
Alright.
Come with follow you go look for him then, cause that you want.
And that if you do long time, you get it back on the
Go see him going cock up underneath. Sure.
Mommy.
Your mother not there.
Really?
She not there.
So.
And you, she said she gonna look for. She gonna link you.
Oh, my man up there still. So maybe she will see him. So what go on? Hey, look so.
I know say last money me have your mother me give her.
You know say that
Well
girl-
dressed up and gone.
So where she could have gone, so? Because she gone up a yard.
I'm gonna check you.
Some no want something to drink. Me now come down here for no reason. I'm thirsty.
Nah, no money man. I want some
Go in the
water.
fridge, man.
I want some water.
Alright then, just what I said. Now go up a yard then, yeah?
Yeah.
Go call her. Because I don't understand how me come down here and she not down here and eat, so she gone up a yard. I'll sit on your bed. So I bouncy. I want to use a bag of stuff and tie this and worry fish. Awesome. So sis, you know you're nothing more about Glenn. Nothing at all, because I can't say you stress out yourself still, you know.
Boy, sis, me not hear nothing at all now. I have to hire a private investigator. If you find him, a 1 million and add, then charge me.
What?
Yes, and me do. Them pinpoint his location for his phone, and I somewhere down here, so which part you live in the same region here, they say the in phone there.
So come at down here, so do. That's strange, you know.
Very strange for you. And that is also one of the reasons why I come down here and say I go stay with you. Because I don't even want to stay up this by myself. You understand?
Oh, me get what you say. So like how you give private investigator so much money if you find him. Suppose me find him, but give me money. Because I'm willing to look for him, you know.
Sis, how you sound so? And your brother-in-law, you know, you're supposed to help me out and willing to look for him for free. But if you say so, then we give $1 million you find him. Just anything if you find him. Just find him for me, please.
Me find him, man. Don't worry yourself. I mean, know my way around.
Yeah. Where I go?
May I go somewhere? May I go up and... Wait, may I have to tell you which one may I go every time? Me not understand. Every time you see me I go somewhere, you always a question me ask. And when you go nowhere, me not ask. So me I go look for my daughter.
I have to dress up, so. Lipstick and eyelash and your nice goatee frock.
At that video. Yes, when you are going nowhere, me no question you. But as me put on one little piece of clothes and they go, it is a bother to you. Me I go look for my daughter. Don't me tell her say her husband missing and me did a help her look for her husband. Don't me tell you. All knowing husband no fine. So me need to go help her and look for her husband.
Alright. Look like a gated community.
Here ya. But you bright people going like gated community. I want to them, man. I want to them. Like you know want me to do.
Your mother just left. Your mother just left. She said she gonna help Uno look for Kira husband or whatever she said.
Oh. See him.
That she said.
Alright then. I'll catch her up. I'll call her on you, I pray. I'll call her. Me link you up back here.
Don't say a word, man.
So, I'll have her around you.
What do you think, man?
Where can I clothes are from? Because them are not my clothes, you know. Why you give me them clothes? I don't like them, you know.
No talking. You make up your mind yet?
Well, you know I go already. I'm hungry, man. But I'm hungry now. Give me right food. I don't want to eat or anything. I starve me. I still not do it. I love your daughter. And your daughter, I'm married to her. I don't just sit right now. So
Okay. So it's like when you not make up your mind, the longer you go stay in here. Anyway, may I punish you because you not make up your mind to do what me want you to do, but I still have to give you something to eat. Here. You can't eat that. Maybe when you eat it, you will make up your mind. me hear me two daughters them a talk about you. How you're strong and how you can deal with the thing proper. And if me no get none of that, then you not come out here. In say and none of them can know which part you're there. Not until you do what me say. And me want you and me have to get you. Anyway, me go run some errands. And you need to eat that because me no want you dead if hungry. I have to get you, so me feed you. Soon come back. I will be back.
Jesus Christ.
Where's sister then?
Me know it.
Where's sister then? Where's sister then?
Soon come those here.
Are your mother doing this, you know? What the feel involved in it too?
What go on, big sis?
You know what say?
You have good news?
Huh?
You have good news?
Yes, girl. But here I pray now. You sure say you gonna give me $1 million?
Stop your foolishness, no man. You just a talk about money, 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 money. So tell me what the good news.
Listen. You know what the sign your man do?
Where?
You know what happened? Come down the beach, man. Just drive up the beach and guess what happened now? The worst part about it, you know, say a mommy involved in the whole of this and she had the top head and the whole of this girl.
What? Alright. When me reach, you tell me. Where in there? Which part in there? Where you say me fi come?
That's not a low first hotel. Hurry up, come now.
Alright.
You can't wait.
Alright.
You can't. And right now, me I'm nervous.
Alright, me a come. Just stay, me a come.
Alright.
You alright? Nothing there? Your head hurt you?
Do you mean say now? You see your mother don't give me no water in the time. You know he want sex. Because he return and talk about how my performance. So I get the she and she over here. And as I see she want because she never get nothing like that.
You say me suspect the woman.
Who tell us something there, son?
My sister.
Because I feel that she ain't a while ago, Mr. Sure enough, but apart from that, though, Your mother have me after about a couple of weeks. Well, you never look for me?
Of course, we did a search for you. Me even hire a private investigator and then pinpoint your phone location to Negril and then I tell my sister about you and she come off and she track me and find you.
Let's check how she doing.
You look happy. Like you're glad to see me. I really know, I make up my mind.
Mommy!
Mommy, I really said
Okay. You know, say a long time I want somebody to love me, and I finally find the man who love and cherish me. And I this you do? Why you kidnap my man and can't come put in this place here? Why?
if your man feels say up a country, then you start do this, you have time to do this.
My daughter, you don't understand. You see the way me hear not talk about phone no man, how no man treat you no one man can do no. You understand in the right way? Me not tell no lie. Me have a man, but he not do me then kind of something there and he not treat me then good way there. So me kind of jealous. And like how you have a good man, you know feel say your mother want a good man too. You know if you understand. You no bother talk. Cause you didn't want him to. That's why me force you and try to get him before you.
Nice. Don't try to cover up your wickedness. You're wicked.
My daughter, me sorry. Me really, really sorry. And me not gonna make it happen again. I will leave now.
Mommy, me don't want no hug. Right now, you need professional help. You're mad, you're sick, something to your head. Give me tea. Hurry up. Mommy?
You and gone?
She done.
Thank you guys for watching. We are at the end of this video. And as always, we enjoy creating these wonderful content for you. And remember, share the video up, man. Tell a friend for tell a friend. And I also want to, we're not going to call any names, but I'm just going to say this. This year has not started off on such a bad note. In spite of, we have had some we don't call it, some mishaps in terms of losing somebody that's close to the channel. But apart from that, we have been having some good news in terms of persons have been reaching out to us and lending us some assistance. We have gotten a brand new laptop to edit. We have gotten a camera and some other microphones and light and stuff, all donated from wonderful people who believe in what we're doing, and they have a vision in terms of seeing where this thing that we're doing here in Jamaica is going to go far. So that's why when you see me come on the camera and talk to you guys and say, you know what, please, if you want to contribute to what we're doing, contribute, man, because this is going to help the development of the film industry, and it is going to create job opportunities for people who are around us. So please, other persons out there, make the effort, man, if you can. I know if you live in Jamaica, you might can't afford to help us financially, but if you're outside of Jamaica and you can, link us up, man. Send what you can send. Come if you want to send a camera, if you want to send another laptop, if whatever as it pertains to equipment. If you have a tripod laying around, if you have some lights, whatever, link us, man, and send it. Come give it. And if you want to, how should I put this? If you want to help persons in Jamaica too,
You can pack a barrel, send come, we give it to some people who really need it, or we can use it ourselves because on a daily basis we cook, we have people around that we have to really take care of. So if you guys want to contribute in any shape and form, whether through cash, whether through kind, whatever, do so, we'll appreciate it. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we do as we continue to do what we do. Big up on yourself.